All right, everyone. So now we got my buddy Steve in the car. He has a really nice E36 M3, and I'm gonna give him a ride in this car. Warm it up first. Yeah, one thing I noticed coming from those are my gloves.
Yeah.
Oops. Oh, yeah, now everyone's behind me.
Oh, Riley.
Lol. I'm actually gonna let him pass me once I get to the
Yeah,
straight.
oh, 100%.
Immediately going from your car to this car, it's funny. This guy is just so more mechanical.
Yeah. Rides really well.
It does.
Yeah, it feels really smooth over the imperfections.
Yeah, no, it does. It takes the bumps really well.
Oh, we got a bunch of people out.
Yeah. Alright, who's gonna try this now?
Yeah,
Oh, it's not terrible.
You got plenty.
Yeah, that's good enough.
There.
Okay. Oh. All right. Yeah, we're gonna. I'm gonna try that one more time, but that was not confidence inspiring whatsoever. Yeah. It's okay. I'm not good enough yet for it to matter.
That's fair.
ABS.
It's got plenty of stopping.
Oh yeah, that's good enough.
Yeah.
Maybe I think the pads are just cold. That's probably what that was.
That's probably part of it.
This one's fun.
Oh, I love these. I love these S's. They're so good. I forgot you're driving stick, so you got a little bit more work to do.
Yeah, just a little bit.
She still moves.
Yeah,
this car is not slow. Oh my god.
It's faster now than
obviously part of it is being a passenger, but it feels really strong under power.
Oh yeah, no it is. Especially the mid-range.
The mid-range feels fantastic. Yeah.
Oh, that's definitely fine.
Yeah. Oh, 100%. It feels
that
good.
Was 110?
Yeah.
Oh, alright. He's gonna... That thing is, loud.
To say the least.
Yeah. Funny, I have to do more work to hold myself in the seat.
You know, they're not bad though.
No, they're not bad.
For stock seats, they hold you in decently well. Woo! Oh, dude, it feels good.
Yeah. Yeah, I love the mid-range of this car.
Yeah, it feels great. Punchy. Yeah, I mean, it's effortless. So smooth.
Yeah, came in a little hot. tires are pretty good, honestly.
They don't complain much. They
No.
seem like they really like it.
A little bit of squeal, but that's not too bad.
No, it's not bad at all. Yeah.
Oh, GoPro's crooked. You want to fix that?
Oh yeah, I got you. There we go.
Oh, wow.
Oh gosh, there we go. Very nice in transition. This car's also very easy to see out of.
That is true. I love that about this
I've
thing.
noticed that. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. I think that's the fastest I've ever actually done that turn.
That turn is fun. If you get good at it, it's a great place to make up time.
Yeah, no, because I could definitely see how a lot of the time you normally wouldn't take
Yeah,
it too fast.
a lot of people find it tricky, so if you can get the master of it. Woo. Nice. Somebody left a little bit of gravel.
Yeah.
I got sprayed by that last session. It's like, oh, more rock chips.
Yeah. You already got rock chips.
Well, I know, I don't really, yeah. I got plenty.
Oh man, that is so fun.
And yeah, I can tell you're getting the feel for it. Getting in a groove. There she goes.
He's the kind of faster. Oh, I don't know why I signaled.
Oh yeah, there's David. Yeah, he's fast. He's a good one to follow.
Yeah.
He's fast. He's got a lot of experience.
Do I see white smoke behind me, or am I just... That was a sloppy line.
You know what?
Sometimes you get those
It
laps.
always happens.
Yeah, everything's just running by. It's funny, I mean, literally 240, almost 3,000 miles.
Yeah. And it loves it. feels perfectly at home.
Because it's an auto car its whole life, never got to do this.
Yeah.
Yeah, now it's just enjoying the experience.
Oh yeah. Very nice downshift.
I love that 3-2 shift.
I guess so. It feels good every time you do it.
Yeah. We're a little
There you go.
swirly.
That was a good line though.
Oh
Nice,
yeah.
nice and tight to the apex.
Probably hear that box back there. It's the helmet box.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's in the trunk. I didn't want it to get rained on.
Yeah, no, that's fair. You got blessed with the weather though.
Yeah.
This is lucky.
Oh yeah, the weather's great now.
Yeah. This is perfect weather for this. It's not too hot, cars like it. This is perfect. Yeah, there's gravel all over right there. I don't know.
Right? Yeah.
Somebody must have gone off again. Or something.
Whew. Yeah. Yeah, it's funny. It's a funny feeling because now I'm really like laying into the pedal.
Yeah. It's all there though.
Yeah, it is all there once you get in there.
Yeah, just a little bit of air.
It's like a home.
Yeah, this is great.
The pads are holding up well too.
Yeah, they are.
I'm surprised. They zero fade and they bite amazing.
What do you add? HPS 5.0s again?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are good.
I also heard they squeal when they get hot. Haven't felt it.
I haven't heard anything.
Yeah. I guess we'll see when we pull in eventually.
Sure.
But
They seem really good.
yeah.
I haven't heard anything. Your tires are also nice and quiet. They're not.
Ooh, that was sloppy downshift.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a little bit, but it's not terrible.
No. It's perfectly normal.
For an all season.
Yeah, no, you're not squealing around. Oh, these are all seasons?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Yeah, like a sport all
That's
season.
impressive.
Yeah, right?
Really impressive.
I did not think I was gonna be.
All seasons are normally very talkative.
Oh yeah,
To
no,
say the least.
absolutely. They don't like being pushed.
No.
Ugh. Yeah, I had to go for that 4-3 shift.
It's all good.
I'm also in love with the intake growl of this car.
Yeah.
S54s have that nice like high pitched scream, but this car has a very nice like throw.
Yeah.
I think we're doing a cool on lap now.
Yeah, that's good.